anyone know if we're having the PCARS net tonight?
K8OBA. I looked at the schedule and it looks like they were going to have a net tonight.
K8QE, is there a net tonight?
Well, from what I seen on the schedule, it said there was going to be one, Bob.
It's supposed to be net control.
Yeah, there is supposed to be a net tonight. TOA. Greg is running it tonight.
Are you out there, K8TOA? Not hearing it, Greg out there. This is N8QE, and I'm going to start the net anyway. If Greg shows up, then he can do it, but no use wasting any more time. It's already 4 after 8. All right, greetings. This is N8QE, and my name is Bob. Welcome to the Portage County Amateur Radio Service Thursday night 2-meter net. I'll be using the club call K8BF for the net. This repeater also accepts inputs from Echolink, so I'll be asking for check-ins from around the corner to around the world here on the Kent repeater. This repeater is located in Sugar Bush Knolls using a PL tone of 118.8 and through the Echolink K8BF-L Echolink node. I'll be your net control operator this evening, at least for a while. As always, if you have any emergency or priority traffic, you may break in at any time. This is a directed net, and all calls will go through net control. You don't have to be a member of PCARS to check in. Everyone is very welcome. PCARS meets the second Monday of each month at 7 p.m. at the American Legion Post 496 in Kent, which happens to be next Monday. The post is located at 1945 Mogador Road. We will look forward to seeing you there. Also, a Zoom link is available for those who can't attend in person. The PCARS website is located at www.portcars.org. You can find more information about PCARS on our website. PCARS also has a number of special interest groups that meet at the club every Tuesday in Ravenna. Check out the latest award-winning radiogram newsletter on the club website for all information. During this net, I'll take pauses when asking for Echolink check-ins since they have a slight delay. When you check in, please give me your call, name, and location. I'll acknowledge all call signs as I get them. Please be aware that the repeater system has a 4-minute timeout. All right, first I'm going to go to Echolink and Echolink only. And first up, I've got WB2RPW. Gary in New Jersey. Go ahead, Gary.
K8BF in the group WB2RPW. Gary in Eatontown, New Jersey. WB2RPW. Very good evening to everybody on the net, and just taking it easy today and keeping the feet up and turn on the air conditioner. Not much going on. Started physical therapy this week for my knee, so we'll see where that goes. But just taking it easy and looking forward to a lazy weekend. So back to net, K8BF, WB2RPW. Thanks, Bob.
Gary, thanks for checking in. And next on the list, we've got WR4Y, Ray. Ray, you want to come on and give us your location and any comments you might have?
Hey, good evening, Net Control. This is Whiskey Romeo 4 Yankee. The name is Phil. I'm traveling from North Carolina. I'm currently in Akron. I thought I would be able to hit the repeater from my radio here in the hotel, but I wasn't able to, so I came up on Echolink. Went to Portage Lake State Park today and got about 20 QSOs on CW, so I'm pretty happy about that. Thanks for having me today, or this evening. I appreciate it. Thanks to everyone here on the net. Whiskey Romeo 4 Yankee.
Apologies, Phil, for getting your name wrong, but welcome to Akron area. And it's of course, the 4th of July holiday. Unfortunately, the weather has not been real cooperative. I don't know, pretty much rainy all day long. All right, that takes me through all the Echolink check-ins that I've got currently. So next, I'm going to ask for anyone who has RF check-in with any kind of announcement for the net. Please call K8BF now.
Yeah, here's KD8WCK.
KD8WCK, Rick there in Shalersville. Go ahead, Rick.
Bob, I just wanted to put in 2 plugs for some upcoming club activities. Save your day. Mark your calendar for Tuesday, the 30th of July. We're going to have a Replay for Kids toy repair session. I don't have confirmed plans yet, but I'm pretty confident that we will be there by 5 p.m. and we'll work until 9. As we did back in January, we'll have a good time. I have also asked for sewing repairs as well as mechanical and electronic repairs, and I will confirm these details in 1 or more QST messages as we get closer to the 30th of July. But mark your calendar. We always have a fun time with the Replay for Kids repair sessions, and it's good cause. It's activity for a good cause. And let me break here for a breath. Public service events, if you have worked or if you haven't worked, the Manaway Potato Stomp, it's coming up in early September, and if you'd like to work an event like that and you never have, please contact Rick K8CAV, and he will team you up with an experienced communicator and show you the ropes. It's very simplistic. I love these race events that we support along with the Portage County Emergency Communications team. And we also have hams from our club and elsewhere that help not belong into the MCOM group. It's a fairly low effort of your time, where we check in around 7 o'clock, probably home by noon. And it's a good event, and it's fun, and it helps us practice some of our networking skills. So, well, with that said, so just keep that in mind. Not sure exactly the date. It might be the 9th or whenever there's a Saturday in early September. Rick K8CAV will have lots of information upcoming as we get closer to the event too. But it's always nice to have enough volunteers to fill all the slots at the various intersections. It makes things work much more smoothly. Thanks a lot, Bob, for running the net for us tonight. This is KD8WCK, back to net.
Very good. The replay for kids is definitely a lot of fun. I participated in it last time, and it's a lot of fun. A lot of help to those that need some help. Okay. Are there any other announcements for the net? Please call K8BF now. All right, not hearing any more, I'm going to open it up for general check-ins. Remember, I do them one at a time, and I will ask for comments and then go on to the next one. So, who would like to be number 4 on my list tonight?
W8KNO, Joe in Hiram.
Joe in Hiram. Good afternoon. Go ahead, Joe. What have you got for the net?
Everyone that is not, it's quality that counts, and it's that.
Joe, we didn't really get that. You kind of broke up and then you went quiet. I don't think you have a real good connection to the repeater tonight.
Back.
Joe's kind of intermittent tonight, so let's move on. Who else would like to check in? Looking for check-in number 5.
Kilo Echo 8 Whiskey Victor Victor KE8WVV Ethan in Manaway.
KE8WVV Ethan there in Manaway. Go ahead. What's your comments for the net tonight?
I think I heard Joe still trying to transmit. KE8WVV, good evening everybody, and I'm going to make it a little bit short. Probably should have mentioned earlier a little bit of POTA going to happen on the 27th of, it's already July. Okay, on the 27th of this month. I think it's, I'm not going to give any false locations because all I know is that there's a POTA on the 27th, and I'm just kind of spontaneously noting it down. Anyways, I hope everybody's having a good 4th of July, and hold on. Had like a dry throat there for a moment. Yeah, everybody's having a good 4th of July, and yeah, that's a little bit spontaneous and a little bit unplanned, but if there wasn't something that went wrong, it would not be a net. Anyways, I'm cleaning up a little bit and helping with some 3D printing stuff, and it's going well, and I'm going to hand it back to net. KE8WVV. I'm very tired and not thinking straight, so I'm just going to sit here and listen to the rest of the net. Back to net.
All right, Ethan, thanks for checking in, and that POTA event, by the way, is going to be held at Lake Milton on the 27th, and I believe also Sarah's going to participate. They're going to be at West Branch, and we're going to do some kind of a dual club event for POTA. Lots of details on our PCARS website, and you can check that out there. All right, looking for another check-in, please call K8BF now. Mark, I've got you. You're barely making it, but go ahead with your comments. not making it tonight.
Moved a little bit, but I'm not getting courtesy tones. I know I don't get the courtesy tone. I'm not getting it. K8BF.
All right, Mark, I'm going to move on because you're barely making it. You're full of fry pan, and sometimes it just drops out. Okay, looking for another check-in. Please call K8BF now. All right, whoever's trying, you're not making it. You're not making it. So maybe move to a new position or reposition your antenna or whatever, and then give us another call. But meanwhile, I'm going to move on. Who would like to check in with K8BF tonight on the Portage County Amateur Radio Service Net?
Kilo Delta 8, Oscar Bravo Alpha.
Kilo Bravo 8, Ken there in Ravenna Township. Go ahead with your comments.
Okay, Kilo Delta 8, but that's okay. Yeah, I'm not really doing a whole lot today. I got up this morning, got my coffee, went out on the porch. Kind of got on trying to answer some POTA, see if I could find some guys doing POTA, and I did about 3 or 4 special events, the 13 colonies, and what was it, one K4 something, it's 4th of July net, and did that, and then it started to rain, and so I closed up shop, come in here, and I was thinking about working on my logbook of the world. It's up now, so I transferred everything out of my QRZ over to logbook of the world, and I decided to do the EQSL, and I realized I'm about 500 cards short. Haven't been doing it for a while, so I'm busy working on that, trying to catch that up. So about halfway through. So anyway, that's about it for me. I hope everybody has a good 4th of July, and we'll catch everybody later on. Back over to the net, K8OVA.
All right, Ken. Yeah, 13 colonies, a lot of fun. I have worked all 13 colonies and the 3 bonus stations, so I've got a clean sweep going. Actually, I finished that on Tuesday. This year was kind of easy, so had a lot of fun doing it, though. It didn't take all that much time, but I'm looking forward to that nice certificate that they always send out. All right, looking for the next check-in. Please call K8BF now. Are there any other RF check-ins looking for the Portage County Amateur Radio Service 2-meter net? Please call K8BF now.
K8BF, this is Whiskey Alpha 8, Uniform Whiskey Victor, Doug in Talmadge.
I had a double, but Doug, go on out there from Talmadge. Go ahead, Doug. Give us your comments.
K8BF WA8UWV. Not much to comment on. I haven't been very active in the ham radio stuff since I don't have an HF antenna yet. Well, I have it. It's just not installed. We're working on it. And that's about it. In the process, I had to get some scrap metal out of the way. So I loaded up in a trailer and took it to recycling. Got $40 worth of that. That was a little bit of a bonus. Anyway, everybody have a good 4th of July, what's left of it. K8BF WA UWV.
Doug. Enjoy that $40. All right, looking for more check-ins. Looking for number 9. Please call K8BF now.
W8KNO, Joe. I changed antennas. Is it better, Bob?
Oh, you're crystal clear now. Very, very good. Go ahead with your comments.
Okay, just to repeat what I said, I've been chasing the 13 original colonies today. I wanted to get them all on the 4th of July. Don't look like I'm going to do it. I'm missing Connecticut, Georgia, and New Jersey is the only one. And other than that, I've been outside cutting up logs. And yes, I went to the beam from my quarter wave ground plane. So that's the difference in the signals. And thank you for picking me up again. Disappear, Bob?
Joe, thanks for checking in, and we've got you there. All right, looking for more check-ins, please call K8BF now.
Kilo Foxtrot 8 Alpha Delta Quebec, Joe in Birdville Township.
Joe, go ahead with your comments from Brimfield.
KF8ADQ. Not a whole lot going on here on the radio side. Just plugging away at FT8, doing a lot more FT4, making contacts, but kind of to also plug the radio comms unit. I did my first event last Saturday in Manaway at their headwaters. And really had a great time doing it. Looking forward to the potato race here in December. So, as earlier stated, if you're looking to get involved, it is a really great time, and it really doesn't take a whole lot. Just kind of enjoying the great outdoors, and radioing in when people come by you and when people go away from you. So, it's a great event. If you've got a free morning to hang out in Manaway, it is definitely worth it. That's KF8ADQ, back to net.
Joe, I'm glad you're enjoying working the nets. That's great. Great news. Have fun. That's what ham radio is all about, having fun and doing what you like to do. There's so many options, just like Joe mentioned, chasing certificates like 13 colonies or doing communication for events, etc. All right, looking for another check-in. Please call K8BF now. Are there any other check-ins? Let me run, before I go back for another check-in, let me run through the announcements for tonight. Tuesday, July 30th, replay for kids. It's a good time and will help handicapped kids get toys or other items repaired so that they can use them. This Monday is the monthly PCARS meeting at 7 o'clock at the American Legion Hall, and everyone's welcome, or you can attend on Zoom. And again, there's going to be a combined POTA event for PCARS and Sarah on July 27th. And PCARS is at Lake Milton, and I believe Sarah is at West Branch. More information on that to come. Also, more information is already available on the website. All right. Now I'm looking for another check-in. Please call K8BF now. Last call, or are there any rechecks? Please call K8BF now. It's going to be a short short net because I'm hearing nothing else. I'm going to close the net. I'd like to thank everyone for taking part in time to check in. Your participation is much appreciated. PCARS especially would like to thank K8BF Ed for his repeater use. I'm now turning the repeater back to regular amateur use. 73 to everyone. Hope to hear you again. K8BF is clear. N8QE is also going to be clear and going QRT. 73 all. Everyone have a great 4th of July evening.